There is no magical shortcut or no instant fix for learning new concepts. You have everything all set and done ready in today's video. There are two tips that I'll teach you which are very easy and effective. And let me just briefly summarize it for you and remind you about how you can improve your solving skills all by yourself. I'll explain you while solving an example and so that you can understand the concept clearly. So today's topic is on conformal transformations and today's problems is on images. See, the first question is find the image of mod z is equal to 2 under the transformation w is equal to 3z. And the next question here is for the mapping w is equal to 1 by z, find the image of the family of circles x square plus y square is equal to ax where a is real. See, the first question here is, so we have to find the image of mod z is equal to 2 under the transformation w is equal to 3z. And I'll show you the image of mod z is equal to 2 in the z plane. See here, first of all, mod z is equal to 2. So what is this mod z is equal to 2? So it is a circle. So in the solution, mod z is equal to 2 is a circle in z plane with center at the origin and radius equals to 2. So this is a circle. See here in the z plane. So first of all, I am explaining you in the circle with center 0 comma 0 in the z plane. Here will be the x and here will be the y, and see here this is the circle with center 0 0 and radius equals 2. So this is 2 here. So 2 will be the radius and this is minus 2, this is minus 2i and plus 2i. So this is how it is, the figure is in the z plane. So we have to find out the image. First of all, the thing here is, as you know that w is equal to, this is u plus iv, and z is equal to, this is x plus iy. Clear? So now what is given here? So it is given in the question that w is equal to 3z. So what is given here? W is given as 3z. So from the question I have taken W is equal to 3z. So in place of W I am going to write as this is U plus IV, and in place of Z I am writing as X plus IY. So U plus IV is equals 3x plus I times of this is 3y. So if I compare the real parts as well as an imaginary part, so U value equals to 3x and next v value, the imaginary value equals 3y. So if I equate it, then u value is going to become, u is going to become 3x and v is going to become 3y. See here, so what is the value of x here? So x value is equal to u by 3 and y value is equal to, this is v by 3. Clear? And the next one here, after taking u as x as u by 3, so x value we got as u by 3 and y value as this is v by 3. And now see what is the question here. So it is given that w is equal to 3z. So in w is equal to 3z, so we got x value as u by 3 and y value as v by 3. And see here in the z plane, mod z is given as 2. So clearly what is given from the question, mod z value is equal to 2. So what is z here? So z is nothing but x plus iy. So here x plus iy is equal to 2. So this is modulus. This will be root over, this is x square plus y square value is equal to 2. If I make squaring on both sides, so this will become x square plus y square is equals 4. So x square plus y square is equal to 4. And see what is our x value here? X value is nothing but u by 3 and y value is nothing but v by 3. So if I substitute u by 3 in place of x and v by 3 in place of x, which is equals to 4. So this value is going to become u square by 9 plus this is v square by 9 is equal to 4. So here if I take 9 as LCM, this is u square plus v square is equal to 4. And therefore u square plus this is v square is equal to, this value is 4 into 9 which is equal to 36. Therefore, u square plus v square is equal to 36. So this can be written as u square plus v square is equal to 6 square. So here, if you observe, so this is a circle equation in W plane. See here. So this is W plane. As you can see, this is a W plane. In W plane, what will be there? So here it is U and here it is V, and this is the origin 0, 0. So this is the circle with center 0, 0 and radius as a 6. So here this will be the circle with the radius. See here, the radius here is 6. So this is the image. So this is the image of mod z is equal to 2. So this is also a circle equation. So with center 0, 0 and radius 6. Clear? See here, center 0, 0 and radius value here is 6. So this is how we form the image of mod z is equal to 2. See here, find the image of mod z is equal to 0 under the transformation w is equal to 3z. So clearly, what is mod z is equal to 2? Mod z is equal to 2 is a circle in z plane with center at origin and radius equals to 2. So here this will be the figure, that is image, not image. So this will be the figure in z plane. So with center 0, 0 and radius 2. So this is x-axis and y-axis in z plane. So as you know that w is equal to u plus iv and z is equal to x plus iy, and we have w is equal to 3z. So w, in place of w I am going to substitute as u plus iv, and in place of z I am going to substitute as x plus iy. So here, after comparing the real parts and the imaginary parts, we got the x value as well as the y value. So here this is the x value and y value, and it is also given that in z plane mod z is equal to 2. Mod z is nothing but x plus iy is equal to 2. So here, after taking modulus, this will be square root of x square plus y square is equal to 2, squaring on both sides. And in place of x, if I substitute u by 3, and in place of y, if I substitute v by 3 whole square, so we got u square plus v square is equal to 6 square. So which is again a circle. So which is again a circle with radius, see here 6 and center 0, 0. So if you observe this one, the first circle is, it is also a circle passing through the center, having a center 0, 0 and radius 2. And here this is also a circle with center 0, 0 and having the radius 6. So this means that 3 times the radius of the given circle. So first the given circle is of radius 2, and this time it is also a circle with radius 6, and therefore it is multiplied by 3 in the W plane. So this is the answer for the first question. And the next question here is, for the mapping W is equal to 1 by Z, find the image. See here, find the image of the family of the circles x square plus y square is equal to ax, where a is a real. So here what is given? W is equal to 1 by Z is given as usual, and we have to find the image of the family of the circles, that is x square plus y square is equal to ax, where a is a real number. So let's get started. As it is given that, as you know that W value is equal to, this is u plus iv, and Z value is equal to x plus iy. So now we are going to substitute in the mapping W is equal to 1 by Z. So W is equal to 1 by Z is very clear here. So in place of W, I am going to write as u plus iv. So in place of Z, I am going to write as x plus iy. So after doing a rationalization, that is after multiplying with x minus iy on both the numerator and denominator, and this is going to become u plus iv is equal to, if I multiply with 1, this will be x minus iy. So a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. So here I square value, so I square value is minus 1, and therefore I am going to write it as plus y square. So if I separate this one, so this is u plus iv, if I separate, this will be x by, this is x square plus y square minus I times of, this is y by, this is x square plus y square. So now after comparing the real part, so here the real part u is this one, and the imaginary part v value is equal to this one. And now see here, u value I am going to write it as, so here u value will be very clear. U is equal to, this is x by x square plus y square, and v is equal to, this is minus y by, this is x square plus y square. So here u value and v value we got. And now what is given here? So it is given in the z plane as family of circles, that is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So here the family of circles in z plane, this is x square plus y square is equal to a square from the question it is given. So here how we can write this x square plus y square? So if you see x square plus y square value is equal to x square plus y square value. So if I multiply this side, so u comes on the other side. So here it definitely it will divide. So that is x by u. So the value of x square plus y square here is x by u. And here it will be x square plus y square value will be clearly minus y by v. So there are two possibilities here, and therefore if I substitute the same thing x square plus y square as x by u, which is equal to a by x, if I cancel this one, so here 1 by u value is equal to a here. So u value, so if I send u to other side, u value is equal to 1 by a. So clearly it is 1 by a. And therefore, so we got an equation that is u is equal to 1 by a. So in w plane, so if you take a w plane, so in w plane what will be there? So this value is u and this is v, and this is the origin 0 comma 0. So u is something like this. If I take 1 by a, the value here, u value is 1, here it is 1 by a, and this will be the parallel to this one. So u value is equal to 1 by a. The line which is parallel to, that is v axis. So v axis, so which is a straight line which is parallel to v axis, and this is the image. This is the image in the z plane. So it is nothing but the circle x square plus y square is equal to ax. So this is in the z plane, and it is transformed as a parallel line which is parallel to v axis in the w plane. So this is how we have to find the images of the figures, or the circles is transformed to a straight line. Here in the first question, a circle with radius 2 is transformed to a circle with radius 6. It is multiplied by 3 times, and this is how we have to find the image. And this concept is also very, very important and repeatedly asked a question. Hope you all understand this one. So if you really understand, you know what to do, please raise your thumb, pass it on to your friends, and subscribe to this channel, and stay connected for more videos and more problems. And damn sure your examination will be very, very easy after your preparation through this playlist. See, please send the playlist to your friends. Thank you so much.